So today I got my sister car here. This is a '01 Infiniti G20. Bad motor mounts, thing shaking like crazy, and I also gotta change the alternator, which alternator is sitting there, so it should be pretty simple to get to. I believe it's that motor mount that's bad, sitting right there. So we'll get this thing lifted up and see what all I gotta take off. Alright, so someone told her the front mount on my radiator was bad, which, shoot. But get some light. It'll be that one there. Oh yeah, you can see it's all busted. I'm gonna pull this off. I'll be right back so we can get a better look. Alright, I'm gonna get some light. That's the front mount we're about to change. Trying to see. It looked like I can probably just remove the entire cross member. That's the rear. We're not changing the rear. But I probably can remove the entire cross member and then drop it down. Of course, we'll support the engine, but let's just break loose the mount first. Alright, let's release some tensions off those mounts. I'm jack it up here, put it on this pan, and trying to release some tension. Got a little jack here and block of wood. I'm gonna jack it up. So it's nice and flat. Just trying to relieve a little bit of pressure. Alright, now let's loosen up these bolts. Alright, that's one out. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the other side does not have a nut on the back. So I'm just gonna switch over to where the bolt is. It's hard to see. The exhaust in the way, but it's sitting here. It's right there. That's the bolt there. See if I can get a wrench on it. Alright. Get some light here. So I'm only changing the front. I just dropped the cross. I left the back alone. Feel like dealing with that. Took the bolts off the cross member and dropped this thing down. Let's see if I can get it come down a little bit further. Alright, let's see if I can change these with them right there. Alright, make everything easier. I just pulled the whole cross member out. This is the rear engine mount. Still pretty solid. This is the front. Front's got a little play to it. Look at that. Oh. Let me show you the yeah, the rear one's pretty good. Let me show you the new one so you can see the difference. So this is the new one for the front here. See, it's still more you cannot wiggle that as much as this one. This thing is really loose. So let's pop this off and then we'll install this new one. Yeah, that no bueno. That's bad. Alright, start a new one. Wait. I don't think these. Yeah, I don't think it matters which way it go. Get back in the car. Alright, got everything all bolted up. About to start the car, rev the engine. Make sure it ain't doing that shaky. Alright, crank it up. Rev it. Oh, that's something else. She thinks the water. Someone said the water pump pulley was going off. Yeah, that's a whole different. That's a whole different thing.
I'm gonna just leave her key in here.
No, give me the key because I want the car to lock. One more problem I don't want to deal with.
Okay, well.
All right. Motor mount's fine. That other weird squeaking noise, that's something else I had to fix. I think it's the water pump pulley. Now I gotta change the alternator.